What's up, y'all? It's your girl, the Urban Lock Queen, and I'm back again with another video. If you are already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much and welcome back. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, like this video, please subscribe, comment, and share it with your friends. So today we are, hold on, let's get into these lashes though. I know y'all like them. If you want to know where I got them, I'm about to tell you. They are from my company, Cocoa Hues Beauty. I just started a business. It's a cosmetic line. Right now I have lip gloss, I have eyelashes, I have lip scrub, and yeah, that's what I have right now. I will be expanding as the time goes on, but that is what I have right now. These are from my mink collection. These are 25mm mink lashes, 100% mink. You can wear them up to 20 times. They are washable, and they're just beautiful. Honestly, I've never worn lashes this long, but I love them. I really do, and I look good. But yeah, so I will leave a link to my website in the description box below. I will also leave my business Instagram, which is Cocoa Hues Beauty on Instagram. My website, of course, is cocoahuesbeauty.com, and my personal Instagram is Nubian_Vash. So today's video is going to be a lock tutorial. You'll see my hair. I do have locks, and that is why I am the Urban Lock Queen. So I will be doing a lock tutorial today, and I will be showing you guys some lock hairstyles that you can. This is for like medium to long length hair. I feel like my hair is medium now. Ooh, ooh, I got me some hang time, y'all. I'm so proud of my hair and where it's come from. But yeah, I'm getting off track. So backstory, I have been locked for 3 years. I started in 2016. If I can find a video, or not a video, a picture of me when I first started my locks, I will insert that somewhere. And so I love my locks, and this is where they're at. They're very thick. You can see I do not have a fresh retwist because it is not time for me to retwist my hair. I only do my hair like every 4 to 5 weeks, just to, you know, keep it healthy. But in between, I do moisturize it and put oil in it and everything like that. One good way to moisturize your hair, if you don't want to like drench it with water every day, you can, when you take a shower, you can just take a shower with nothing on your hair and let the steam get into your locks and stuff, and that will moisturize it as well. And then you can just seal that with some oil when you get out the shower. Alright, so for this lock tutorial, you will need 2 rubber bands. I have these rubber bands because every other rubber band that I've tried to use on my hair, because my hair is so thick, it don't work. So I got these. I believe I got these from Walmart. They are a little bit stretched out, but that's fine, they still work. And then you'll need some bobby pins as well. And I think I got these from 99cent store. Yeah, I did. It was $1. All right, so let me get y'all a little bit closer. I hope the lighting is okay for you guys. All right, so for this tutorial, you're going to want to, this is gonna be a half up, half down. So you're gonna wanna split your hair into 2 in the front. You can leave this little one down if you like. I like to do that sometimes. Now for this style, I wore this style for my friend's wedding and it was so bomb. I will insert that picture right here as well. Or wherever I decide to put it. So yeah, you're gonna split your hair off into 2. Let's see, you can leave that one down. I really hope this lighting is okay for you guys. It is bedtime right now. All right, so we got 2 pigtails right now. So you're going to twist the side. You're gonna twist it like this, and it doesn't really matter if you have some little flyaways. And then you're gonna go over to this side. And I will just lift up the rubber band and tuck this side into that. And you're going to do the same thing, but since I went around back for this one, I will go around front for this side. So I'm gonna twist it, and I'm gonna go around front. Alright, so, and then for these flyaways, you're gonna get your bobby pins, and you are going to clip them down like that. All right, so this would be, let me zoom y'all out a little bit. All right, so this would be the style. I think this is so cute. You can always just tuck the little flyaways away into your locks like that. I think this style is so cute. Like, you can wear this as a formal, you can wear this as everyday. So basically this one, when I went to my friend's wedding, I really wanted a braid crown across, but I couldn't achieve that. So this is what I came up with, and as you see it in the picture, I just added some little jewels like all around, and it came out so beautiful. I literally felt like a queen that day. Well, I feel like a queen every day. But yeah, this is the style. I like this style, and I'm gonna show you guys another one as well. So for the next style, you're still gonna part your hair half, and it'll be half up, half down again. And you're gonna twist this side. I do always leave these little 2 parts out there like this. And twist this side as well. Sorry, this is like sometimes, and it's gonna be like a faux little top bun, and you'll get your rubber bands, and you will just wrap it around so it could be secure. Do that. And then that's it. I kind of like, I don't mind if some locks are like hanging out on this one. This one is another everyday style that you can do, especially for thick locks, because I know it is, it's kind of hard to get our hair in just like a regular ponytail, like putting all your hair up in one ponytail. I don't know about you, but I have problems doing that. It's so hard. Like, I can't even, like, with both of my hands, like with one hand actually, I cannot get all of my hair in one hand. It's so hard for me. So this little lock bun that this little lock bun that I put half up, half down, it's cute. You can wear it, you can move around. Bridesmaids. If you haven't seen that movie, go watch it. It's comedy. But yeah, I actually love this style so much. It looks so cute. I look cute in it. You'll look cute in it. You still have this little middle part right here, so it just looks real messy. Like, everybody loves a messy bun. And honestly, you can even dress this style up. Like, you could put jewels in it too, and you could wear it as like formally or whatever. So yeah, that's another style. So I'm gonna take this down. Usually I don't even style my hair. I just have it like this on a regular basis. Or I'll do like, you know, I'll put it to the side like this. And I'll just be rocking my locks like this. Just leaving it alone, letting it do what it wants to do. I'm only gonna show you guys 2 styles because that's all I can think of right now. Whenever I style my hair, I usually just freestyle. I don't really, you know what I'm saying? I don't really go into thinking about how I'm gonna do my hair unless I'm like retwisting it and I plan on doing a style like that. Now, if you guys want a video of me retwisting my hair, because I do my own hair, I retwist my own hair and I do my own styles. If you guys want a video of me doing that, I can just let me know in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed this lock tutorial. If you try any of these styles, go ahead and tag me on Instagram on my personal page at Nubian_Vash, and I will repost you guys. Don't forget, if you're not subscribed already, subscribe. Because I want you guys to see all the content that I have for you guys this year. Because I'm really going to be consistent with YouTube this year. That's one of my goals for the year, is to be consistent with YouTube so I can grow my YouTube family, and you guys will go over to my business page and grow my business page and grow my business and just grow my life with the help of you guys. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys have a great day. It's your girl, the Urban Lock Queen, and I'm out.